Kimmy Kim, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my StickiiClub unboxing, actually unenveloping, I guess. And this is the first time I've ordered from them. So I've just recently subscribed to StickiiClub, and what it is a monthly sticker club, basically, for your planners. So with that said, let me just open it up and show you. Okay, so it comes in this really cute, what do you call, I don't know, it's like a divider kind of thing, a pocket to put into your planner if you have one like that. And it came with this little ring here, so you can collect every month and add to it. If you see the picture here, and you just add to it, and each month it gives you a sticker. This one here, which I've put here, the theme is Bunny Burrow, so it has a bunny paper clip, and here are the little bunny stickers. So cute for Easter. And even Valentine's Day, there's lots of hearts and everything. So super cute there. Trying to see if there's anything interesting here on the card. It just explains to put the ring here, which I have. It has a bookmark, which is actually here. This is a bookmark. And it has these great compartments. Like here's a pocket here, there's a pocket here, and a pocket here where I have it clipped. And then there's a pocket in the back which goes all the way down. So it's really great to hold all your goodies. I don't think I need to take all these out, but these are all little stickers with little happy, hello, different bunnies. Really cute. Bunny heads, bunny bodies. Really cute. This is just an extra Bunny Burrow sticker like this here that I put there. And these are the really fun stickers I will get to. These are hilarious, I think. They're vegetables. There's broccoli, tomatoes, mushrooms. Look at this. Oh my gosh, so funny. Oh, this is the mushroom. There's a mushroom there. Lettuce. All kinds of fun. Corn. Makes me think of my sweet friend Corn Riley. I should send her that little sticker. I wish there was more corn, but there's only that one corn on here. So that's sweet. And then here, I don't know if you can see. These are some more bunnies and teddy bears and banners. And there's a little unicorn, some candy. Really cute. These are hilarious, and of course these are Japanese, so I don't know what a lot of them say. A lot of them have Japanese writing, and but then some have English as well. But that is just too funny. Some of these are hilarious. This one's roasting in a fire. These are taking selfies. This one's sleeping. I just love with the glasses. Look at drinking the coffee. A kissy. There's a cat. So really cute. And these are along the same line. Some of these are really quite funny. Like this one's sleeping and it's drooling. It's like, what is that? That is just crazy. This one here has got a drumstick and beer. Really strange. Push and pull, it says. Chicken. I'm not sure what this is. He's eating something and putting something on it. I don't know if it's hot sauce. He's got a tear. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Some of these are hard to figure out. Let's see. The sleep one is cute. Let's see. Let's see here. This one's like, I don't know if he's angry. He's got fire in his eyes and mouth. It's like their sense of humor is very, very different on some of these little kawaii stickers. And these are sweet. These are really sweet. With the, this one he's smiling, but he's got tears, so I don't know if it's a laughing tear. I'm not sure what that is. Eating their cupcakes and ice cream. Super cute. I like these. So yeah, that is Sticky Club. And I just recently learned about it. Just perusing through on Google, just putting in, you know, monthly subscriptions for kawaii and stationery, and it popped up. So I was pretty pleased. That's a lot of stickers, and it's $10.99 a month. That's a whole lot of stickers, and you have the nice protective sleeve here with the pockets. So yeah, I think I will continue for next month as well and give that a try and see what is in store ahead. Now I'm sharing some more. I got a lot in from AliExpress, and of course I ordered kitty things, these little memo sticky notes, too cute, and these sticky notes, the cat and paws for the flags. And they were just, I think this was 62 cents, and this was $1. You can't beat that. Let's see, this one, oh, let's see, well, I'll show you this one. This is just, I got it for the charms. It was $1.78 for an Alice in Wonderland bracelet, but I just need the charms, and there's lots of charms. So I thought that was a good deal. So lots of Alice in Wonderland little goodies. So I thought that was fun. That took a long time to come in. Now these here only took maybe 2 weeks at the most. This here probably took 6 weeks. Took a long time. And this here are some more stickers. It says $2, but I know I didn't spend $2 on these. Let's see here. And these are all in Japanese as well, but they're really cute. Little kitties. It's so cute. It's got its little mouse, and it's wearing a bow tie. Drooling, not sure why. Too cute. I wish I knew what they said. But they're fun little stickers. And there's that. Some more of this one's adorable. So that's the idea on that. And that only took about 2 weeks as well. And I got some kitty washi. This matches those flat stickers. It's too stinking cute. So it'll be fun to decorate some friends' mail with the stickers and the washi. So yeah. And this is my big purchase that I am so happy that finally came from Japan. And I finally broke down and bought these Hobbian, I think I'm saying it right, Hobbian artist colored pencils. And look, they made an origami for me. And I will link him below. He is on, let's see. I purchased him on eBay. And the guy is awesome. Yeah, really great guy, and keeps in touch. And I will definitely link him, or give you his Gmail if you're interested. So here we go. I love them, my little treasures. I have been wanting these for probably 2 years, and I finally was just on eBay, and it popped up on my feed, you know, because of things that you're interested in. And I said, what the heck, I'm going to finally do it. So I think they were $34, which is a good deal. They sell for a lot more in other places. And it was nice that he included the other information, the color list, and it tells you what sets you can buy. They have sets of 12, which is what I got, and I got specifically just the pastel colors, and then there's a set of 24, 36, 50, 100, and 150, but they get very pricey, up to about $300–400 for the $150 set. So I guess my next goal will be to go for the 50 set, and I don't know why I waited so long. I tried these and sampled them. They are so smooth. I was laughing with my friend Tammy from My World in OKC. We were on Google Hangouts, and I was sampling them, and I was so excited, like a kid in a candy store, and I was like, ooh, it's like butter. It is like, they are so smooth. I am not giving it any pressure. And I'll do these little swatches. Look at that. So, so pretty. Do a couple more. It is so smooth. Barely any pressure. And the color is so pretty. It's very pigmented. And these colors you're not going to get in any other set. Most of like Prismacolors and Faber-Castell, they don't have pastel colors. Look at that. It is so smooth. I'm like, I have to do more. I have to show you more. How about this pink? Actually, what is this called? Yep, it's called pink. It is just so pretty. I mean, it colors so fast. You don't have to press hard. And it's very soft. The tip is very soft. Or the lead, rather. So these are my treasures. I am so proud of them. I have been wanting them for, like I said, it's since I started coloring a couple years ago. So I know it's just a 12 set. It's just a beginner. It's just a starter. But they are rather pricey, and I'm happy with it. So for today, I am happy with those. So that is my share for today with my goodies. A little bit of AliExpress, my Hobbian pencils, and my StickiiClub membership. So I think I will have some hauls for you coming up soon, And until then, have a great day, a great rest of the week. Stay warm and stay safe, everyone. Take care.